How you guys doing? We're going to review the TTDEYE contact lens. I'm pretty sure everybody knows what TTDEYE is. It's the third eye. We're going to have a lot of third eyes today. So yes, but before we begin, click that subscribe button if you are not into my channel and whatnot, so that way you guys don't miss out. Enjoy the show. I am so excited because I forgot what colors I chose. Thank you TTDEYE for sending me this PR package. Thank you so much. And I always love your guys' contacts, and you guys have like a whole variety of contacts. Like, this is what it comes in the package. Oh my gosh, I forgot how cute this was. I always love me some stickers, boy. Hello from TTDEYE. Want to win a free contacts? Yes, man. They do include contact cases just like this, so that way you guys can keep them really fresh and whatnot. That way you guys don't have to lose them. For me, I also put the names on the back with the stickers or whatever that I can make at home. I always put the stickers underneath, so that way it keeps like everything like all organized. They also included some of these pink butterfly stickers, and that is really awesome how they package their stuff. And oh my gosh, that's why I'm always so excited to get TTDEYE contact lenses. They also included confetti hearts right here, and these are so cute. You can use them in glitter nails, or you could put these on your face and whatnot. So yes, we always love a good manicure. This is a happy mirror, so darling, so that way you can just like put your contacts in if you guys don't have a mirror at home or whatever, and you're like out in places, so that way you guys can look at yourselves in the mirror and be like, oh, I'm so darling today. You put the eyeball on here, you put your contact lenses on here, you in your eyeball, but I don't do that, so that doesn't work for me. So I just normally use my fingers. We'll get a pair of plastic tweezers so you can get your little eyeballs out of there all nicely, neatly. And here's the case with the right and the left, so that way you guys don't get confused. In each package, you will get a sterilized contact lenses in each box, whatever color you choose. When you get your pair of contact lenses, they will have a name on each and every one of them. Let's start off with a juice brown. So when you do get your contact lenses out of here, it's going to have the expiration date and the manufacturer. This is what the lenses look like when it's sterilized inside of this case before you put it in your real case. I do have a Dollar General multi-purpose solution for your contact lenses and to put it inside your case when you're done. I normally like to save money, and I got this at Dollar General. Okay, so what I usually like to do is just grab it from here and put it on my finger. So I just grab it. What I like to do is have my short nail, pop it in on the bottom first. Try not to blink, which is kind of hard to do. Then you just put it on like that. So what I like to normally do if I have makeup on, grab a paper towel and catch all the tears that are going down so it doesn't mess up your makeup. So this is the juice brown. This is Himalaya gray. These are Egypt blue. And these are juice pink. Well, I went ahead and went with the juice pink. I am so excited to wear most of these for my makeup looks. Go ahead and use my code Patricia2020 for 10% off. This video is not sponsored by any way, shape, or form. I really love all these contacts. TTDEYE has a sale going on, so if you guys go to their website, www.ttdeye.com. Thank you for watching my video, you guys, and give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whatever it is you guys want to do. So yeah, see you guys another time. Love you guys. Bye-bye.